You're doing this. Millie. Oh, sorry, I didn't mean to scare you. Scare me? Oh, I was just scaring myself. I don't see how, but it's nice to see you in the real world, away from Doc. Well, yeah, it's nice to be here. Are you alright? Yeah. You look like you have the holiday blues or something. Boy, the news these days. Weird. I heard on TV that cat train weighs 140 pounds. How do these hacks sleep at night? It's not even occurred to battery implodes it. He probably saved millions in property damage alone. You're not going to the relighting of the tree, are you? Well, I wouldn't call it dead there. Well, it's gonna be a hot time in the cold town tonight. You're kind of dark side, don't you? No darker than yours. Listen, why don't you come over and we can watch it on TV? What? The tree lighting ceremony. I can't. I have to be somewhere tonight. How about coming for dinner at 5? Or let's say 6. Okay. I rather 5, okay? Alright, 5, you and me. Okay? So, the tree lights up, and then I push the button. Wait. So, I push the button, then the tree lights up. Got it. Oh, who are you? It's Stalin Scout. Oh, then come in. I don't just like trees, I'm an actress as well. What is that thing, a camera or something? Say cheese. Cheese. Ah! Thanks, Edward. I'm sure he's a wonderful company. But doesn't the gold-plated Beckler bit get a little stale? A lot like a lonely secretary syndrome, I guess. Executive assistant. Oh, sorry. Secretary. Did you have any girlfriend? Sure, I guess. Oh, you mean like as in serious? Oh, yeah. No. Had one didn't work. But what went wrong? Hang on, I think I know. You kept things from her. I told her everything. Oh, the truth franked her? There are two truths. You know. She had trouble reconciling them because I had a trouble and reselling them. Yeah, I get it. So you see, lady? Oh, ice skaters or sweet dress? No. She was a photojournalist and she was from the Magic Railroad. So it was lady? Read about your difficulty with your duality? Well, you see, if I say yes, then you'll think of me as Norman Bates, a Ted Bundy type, and you might not let me kiss you. It's the so-called normal guys who always let you down. Sickos never scared me. At least they're communicate. Yeah. So like, as I was saying as lady, me and her had like a bit of problems, I guess. She actually rather went with Henry. Henry the Green Engine? Yeah, exactly that guy. Oh. Okay, I can't do that. Neither can I. Let's see what's on TV. Unbelievable or not, the evidence is purely circumstantial. This was found stained with blood in the missing girl's dressing room. Oh, sorry. I think I must go. No. It's okay. No, it's your house. No, hold on. Just sit for a second and relax. I'll be right back. Edward, I've got to go to the plaza. He's bringing me to show. I hope you snub him. I can't. There's been a kidnapping. Here's what I wanted you to do. Crap. Tell Millie I had to go out of town. Tell her that a big business deal came up. You know what? Wait. Let her know. In some kind of dumb beam my girlfriend way. I relay the message. Right, thanks. Millie, oh yes. Mr. Thomas told me to tell you that. Oh, Thomas, yeah. Right. Would you tell him? I've been going through a lot of changes and no. Just that this is not a rejection. My upper living. And that in fact, he makes me feel the way I hope I really am. No. Could you just make him a sonnet or dirty limerick? One has just sprung to my mind. Thanks. This way, madam. Right, thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, may I have your attention, please? I know that many of you, solar seems a bit belliger these days. But what I want you to know, your elected officials and your police department have the situation well in the hand. Come on, Rosie, you gotta hurry. Thank you. Come on. I told the police I was kidnapped by an ugly birdman diesel with fish breed. It was just a diesel. Did somebody say fishman diesel? Haven't been fit all day. Eat the floor. High fiber. Hey, stud. I thought we got something together. We do. Gotta go. Girl talk. She let me go. I think because of our reason with her girl to girl. Be careful. Don't move. Lawn dog. Rats with wings do your thing. You're catnip to a girl like me. Handsome, Daisy, and to die for. Mr. Load and can be deadly if you eat it. But a kiss can be even deadlier if you mean it. You are the second engine that who killed me this week. But I've got 7 lives left. I tried to save you. Seems like every woman you try to save ends up dead. Or deeply resentful. Maybe you should retire. Oh. Dang it. Outstanding. You're the beauty and the beast. In one luscious Christmas gift pack. You said you scared the ice princess. And that's Rosie. Well, she looked pretty scared of me. I thought you're bubbly. And so, what are we waiting for?
Let's consummate our Flanders onion.
What are you talking about?
Oh, come on. Can you picture? It's dark at the mayor's mansion. I am bushed. So here you come. Into the bedroom. Twitching your little tail. My slippers. In one wheel. A dry Martin in the other. Please. I wouldn't touch you to scratch you. You lousy mix. I should have you spayed. You sent all of these signals. So guess what? I don't think I like you anymore. Huh? Goodbye, my unit. Go to heaven.